Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's Healthy Lifestyles activity. My name is Miss Yulin, and today we are going to be making recipes using oats. Do you guys like oats? A lot of people eat oatmeal in the morning because it's a great source of fiber and antioxidants, and it's a great way to start your morning. But did you know that you don't have to eat oats just in the morning? You can eat them anytime. And today I'm going to be showing you two simple and easy recipes that you can make using oats. They're really delicious and I hope you guys enjoy these recipes. So let's begin. To make our peanut butter bites, we will need maple syrup, semi-sweet chocolate chips, rolled oats, and we will also need creamy peanut butter. First, we are going to get our rolled oats and measure out 1 cup. Then pour it into a plate or a bowl. Next, we are going to add our peanut butter to our rolled oats. Measure out around half a cup of peanut butter and place it on top of your oats. Here I'm using creamy peanut butter, but you can also use chunky peanut butter. And if you're allergic to peanuts, you can use other nut butters. After adding peanut butter, you can mix the oats and peanut butter together. Now add honey to your mixture, and you can add as much or as little honey as you would like. This is all based on your preference. I added around 1 tablespoon of honey. And when you are done, you want to mix everything together until it is well incorporated. Next, we are going to add chocolate chips to our peanut butter and oats mixture. Here I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you can also use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. If you want it to be healthier, then dark chocolate is your best option. Only add around 1/4 a cup of chocolate chips, and now mix everything together. After everything is combined, put your mixture in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And then when it is done, we can start forming them into balls, just like I'm doing here. You want to grab a small amount of the mixture and roll it around in the palm of your hands until they form into little balls. If you are having trouble forming them into balls, this might be because your mixture is not cold enough yet. Place it back in the fridge for at least 15 more minutes before rolling them again. They should be easier to roll after they've been chilling in the fridge. After you are done forming them into small bite-sized balls, they are ready to eat. Our next recipe is overnight oats, and these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, maple syrup, and chocolate chips, but the chocolate chips are optional. First, we are going to grab a jar or a big cup and fill it with around half a cup of rolled oats. Once our oats are in the jar, we are going to add Greek yogurt. You can add around 1/4 of a cup into our jar where our oats are in. If you don't like Greek yogurt, you can also switch it out for vanilla yogurt or another flavor. Now we are going to add our almond milk into our jar. If you don't like almond milk, you can switch it out for regular milk or another option. Pour around half a cup to 1 cup of milk into your jar. If you like it thicker, you can add less milk, and if you like it runnier, you can add more milk. Now we're going to add maple syrup to sweeten our overnight oats. You can add as much or as little maple syrup as you would like. And you can also switch out maple syrup for honey if you do not like maple syrup. Now is the time you can customize your overnight oats. I like chocolate chips, so I'm adding a couple chocolate chips into my overnight oats. But you can add other toppings too, such as fruits or nuts. And once you're done adding all your toppings, you can mix up your overnight oats. Make sure to mix everything really well because there will be oats stuck on the bottom that are not well incorporated. So we want to mix everything together. When you are done mixing, it should look like this. Put a lid on it and then put it in the fridge and leave it there overnight. It should be ready in the morning. Great job, everyone! This is how our peanut butter bites and our overnight oats should look like. Oats are really nutritious and they're delicious too. I hope you guys enjoyed making these recipes. Please join us again next week for our next Healthy Lifestyles activity. Bye, everyone!